1, 2, 1, 2. Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today, guys? Ha ha ha! Who is in the chat? Yeah, is everything working? Oh, yes, Papa. Der Dackel, good morning. Chris Brook, happy Wednesday to you. Pension Man, good morning. Big Coffee, yes. Mirko, good morning. Sandro, what's up? Fred, Pasha, salut, salut. I just saw Distro Watch. Mint finally got dethroned. Yes. Is Papa tired or not today? Like pants or no pants? I'm good today, guys. But it's gonna be a short stream. It's gonna be a short stream, I will tell you why. I just downloaded the ISO. I will install later if Papa approves this release. Nice. Bokmo, what's up? Chris, good morning. Kashi number 1, baby. Yes. Count Bus to Lao. Big up. What's up, Count Bus? I'm gonna call you Count Bus, okay? Steven, how are you doing? Arnold, what's up? Rico, what's up? Randomai, how are you? Mitch? Speedlab, what's up? Dovrin, Leonardo Cecconi, ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo está? Punchon Man, it's all I've on my PayPal. Gift, yesterday, it's my birthday gift for the work you make. It's all I have on my PayPal gift. Yesterday, it's my birthday gift. What do you say, Punchon Man? Can't boost, we stay busting. Yes, we stay busting, brother. All right, so what's happening today, dude? What is happening? Bro, did you just send a PayPal? My man, thank you very much for the dono, broski. Okay, now I understand it. Thank you very much, dude. Thank you very much for the $2 donation. Much appreciated. Mitch, welcome back to La Crème de la Crème Club, Papa. Let's go! Thanks for your support, dude. Thanks for the 4 months. Guys, thank you very much for your generosity, alright? So, here is what's happening today, guys. Here is what's happening. And before I start, if I understand correctly, yesterday was Punch on my birthday. So, happy birthday, dude. Wait. Cheers. One more year. I like to think we all are like a good ace fine wine. Okay, like best wine. We get better with age. So listen to me, chat. What are we doing today? Today, okay, so I'm going to tell you exactly everything. Today, I wanted to make the stream about something new I just got. But the delivery did not happen because there is a lot of snow here where I live. It's like the weather has been crazy, okay? So they couldn't deliver it. And it was supposed to arrive tomorrow. But just before I start the stream, it arrived. But I don't have the time to install it. So we'll test it on Friday. Okay? If someone in chat guess what it is, I would be impressed. But I don't think you would guess what it is. So that's the first thing. Second thing is that I wanted to test it live today. It was planned like days before, but because I didn't receive it, I couldn't do it. So I was like, what are we going to try today? And I thought about GLFOS, okay, Gaming Linux France OS, which released this new version called Phoenix. And I was like, you know what? It's their first like post-release after the official announcement. So we're going to have to give it a try. So we're going to do that today. And the first thing I need to mention is that we're gonna have to do it fast because it's still snowing outside, and if I want to be able to move my car in the coming hours or in the coming days, I'm gonna have to remove the snow from my driveway. So for the people who are from Europe, we don't have driveway in Europe. But in North America, when you have a little house, you have a little driveway where you put your car, right? But it has been snowing so what you do, you are responsible of your driveway. Like, you're the one who have to remove the snow. On the road, they have like truck. We have truck that kind of like remove the snow. But on your driveway, it's your property. You have to do it yourself. And dude, like, the amount of snow has been insane. So I have to remove the snow. And yes. So put salt on the driveway, bro. Like, I went out, the amount of snow is like, it's like huge. Salt is not going to help, brother. I need to remove everything and then put salt, right? The salt is more for the ice. You have to remove the snow manually, dude. Do you prefer Patreon or YouTube? I prefer Patreon. Frico. 5090 with 96 gigabyte from China? No. Bobby 2? Aha! Maybe, but it's not Bobby 2, dude. Can you repeat? I've not understood all. No. Camille! Fanatec wheel? No. Either. Intel Arc A780? No, neither. We are getting there. We are guessing, but... Xarian, what's up? We are dealing with a ton of snow here in Michigan. You too, Rocker of Worlds. It's insane, man. Like, the amount of snow in this period of the year, like, it has been insane, dude. I live in Europe and I have a driveway. Many of us do. Steven, you have a driveway? What the heck? I never saw a driveway in France, dude. Like, Southern Europe, I've never seen that. Varisk, good morning. How are you doing? Plus 9 degrees Celsius here in Germany. Can we swap? I like my snow. A steam machine? No, I wish, dude. Some sort of VR? Nope. So yeah, you're not going to... You won't be able to guess, dude. I'm telling you, you won't be able to guess. Hey, Neo21, what's up? How are you doing, dude? He has been insane. We got a foot of snow before the end of November, and he has just been relentless since then. Same. New case? Nope. Popolvar, what's up, my dude? Okay, let's get into the installation, chat. Oh man, 27 millimeter got it. Oh no! How did you do it, dude? 27 got it. Man, I thought you would never be able to find this. It's not a big driveway, but need a snow plow to get rid of the snow. Still not snowed here in South Norway. What? You didn't get even snow in Norway right now? I think we have a problem. Like, I think right now there is a problem in North America. Like, he has been insane, dude. The last time I had really heavy snow in Eastern Europe was during my childhood, about 15 years ago. What type of monitor? So the monitor, guys. I won't spoil it, okay? But I got a serious monitor. I got a good deal on Black Friday. So I was like, meh. Let's try it. Worst case scenario, we send it back. But the idea is 4K, right? 4K for the stream and 4K for the bench. So we'll see how it goes, dude. I'm in Germany and right now we have plus 13 degrees. So yeah, their Dacol is in Germany too. And it said 9 degrees Celsius. So it's literally a heat wave. El Snarko is right. By the way, El Snarko, how are you doing? Maybe same as mine. Was a good deal from the manufacturer during Black Friday. I could wear short. Oh yeah, 13 degrees, you are short. Listen, I went out. Yesterday was -9 or -7 degrees Celsius. And I was just wearing my sweatshirt. No problem, dude. No problem, broskito. Okay, so let's install this beast. Oh, so they did... What did they change? It looked like... This is a new... What is this wallpaper, dude? Oh, this is so cute. Woo! I kind of like it, actually. And they put the little phoenix here. Uh-huh, not bad. Alright, so it's still in French. So welcome to the installer of GLFOS. Yes, language, English. American English. Oh, nice. Oh, cool. So you got the release note directly here. Okay, so I'm gonna let that open, and I'm pretty sure because it's NixOS, it's gonna take a lot of time to go through the whole like thing install. We're gonna read it while it's installing, okay, chat? I can put it in dark mode. Wait. I can put that in dark mode, chat? Man, I don't like GNOME, chat. I don't like GNOME. Apparent. Ah, voila. Like, can you listen? So Camille is part of the dev team, okay? He's one of my buddy. Because I've been participating, not so much lately, but I've been participating in the project. I'm like, dude, can we make dark mode by default, please? Like, can we do that? Here in the Caribbean, it's 26 degrees Celsius. Bro. Six or 5 degrees in Slovakia? What? So it's really cold here, huh? Maybe we can. Look how cool it is. It looks like 10 times better. I don't know. Maybe it's just my preference. Okay. Welcome. All right. American English. Yes. New York. No. Toronto, please. Toronto here. It's just here. Yes. Thank you. Yes. In terms of keyboard, we are using international with that key. Yeah. Working. Nice. Full name. Max. Password. Okay. Login automatically. Use the same password. Yes. Okay. So we are not using GNOME, chat. We are using Plasma. So you still have the two options, which is cool. And so you have the standard, the mini. So Firefox and Nvidia driver. Here you will have OpenRGB. Okay. And then you have the studio. I'll have to go with the studio. It's gonna be a little bit longer, I think. We'll see. We'll see how long it takes. There is a lot to install, chat. You're gonna have like the full package for gaming, LibreOffice, DaVinci Resolve. This is Kdenlive, OBS, Audacity. Dude, we need to remove that. Is that FreeTube? We need to remove that. We need to pay the content creator, chat. GIMP, Blender, and the driver. Okay, yeah, we're gonna go with this one. And the disk. So I didn't switch the disk yet, chat. So we are still using the Kingston here. Yep. Erase. Swap no Hibernate. No, swap with Hibernate. Okay, so no swap for us. Because I have 64 GB of RAM and I don't hibernate. However, so you enforce XT4, huh? No better FS, chat. Okay, that's fine. Okay, Kingston. Install, yes, install. Allez hop, c'est parti. This is it, chat. We are flying. Now, can we put that in dark mode? Like that we don't lose our eyes too, it would be great. Nice. All right. Yeah, sure. Okay, so what's new? What's new, chat? Oh my gosh, that's a long stuff. It's hot as balls here today. Was 38 degrees Celsius. The Australian dude, my man. 13 degrees in Belgium. Visit Europe, we have grey. Man, I wish I could go back in Europe. I'm gonna have to go. Hey, hello? Hey, hello? Ah! Something happened in the stream, chat. Dude, I'm gonna get rid of all of this. Windows is getting out of my Windows is getting out of my streaming machine. Everything is getting out of my streaming machine. I'm gonna go back to Linux. Even if I have limitation, like it's better than this. So Windows as my streaming machine was working for like what, like 6 months? And it has been like multiple stream where we're still having problem, like. So I'm sorry about that. It just decided to be totally overwhelmed. Maybe there is an update in the background that destroy my CPU usage or something like that. So, just to make sure, Twitch, YouTube, how are we here? When you cry, it's working perfectly. I don't cry, okay? Okay, YouTube okay, everything is fine. Okay, we are back. Nick's taking all the bandwidth. It could be that too. Fair, it could be that. But here he looked like he was due to rendering and encoding. That's what it was showing on my OBS. So something is happening on my machine which take all the resource. Whether it's an update, whether like something is happening. So I apologize for that, okay? Oh, the installer is doing fine, dude. It's locked at 46%. Everything is fine, dude. We know that Nix always block at 46%. You got new Windows update today? Yeah, that's what it is. I'm pretty sure this is it. So where are we at, dude? Alors, GLF Phoenix OS. So this is a new release, right? When was it, actually? 5 days ago you released now? How can I check the release date? Okay, so this was 3 months ago. Oh, it's actually maybe 5 days ago. Good. Okay. So do we have that in English or do I need to translate? Okay, it's here. Say hello to GLF OS Phoenix, the very latest version of GLFOS which incorporates the freshest packages, technological innovation, and even more comfort for our user. For newcomer, a quick note on what GLF was. So that we know, okay, chat? Okay. So, what is the new stuff? Major evolution of our package version. Desktop and display. GNOME 49.1. KDE Plasma 6.5. Nice. Under the hood, 6.7 kernel. So just for you, like, we're not able, or we're not aware of what's going on. GLFOS is based on Nix, and it really has like an interesting like release cycle. It's kind of like, I wouldn't say Manjaro, but the approach is kind of where they test the package before pushing them. So they are not like really rolling release, but they are not stable either. So every 3 months, you're gonna get new like I would say like bump into version, and every 6 months you're gonna have like the big upgrade, kind of like this is the idea. So you are on a model which is on paper more stable than a rolling edge, but more fresh than a stable. Okay, you are in the middle. Okay. Mesa 25.2. You see, for example, you are on the before latest. Mesa 25.3 released like 1 week ago. But you see, you have the one before and still have a serious amount of feature like FSR4. Right? Same for the driver. Drivers, those ones are the latest stable right now. Which is cool. A half Fedora approach. Yeah, exactly. Is it based on 25.11? That's a good question. So what is one expect to do when it locks at 46? You just wait. For people who don't know, like when you install NixOS on a machine, he has to download all the image, all the different package, and then he kind of like put them together. And that's why like the Calamares stuff is there, locked at 46. But here you see it's written, what's happening at 46%? 46% your machine is summoning, downloading, and customizing a horde of packages tailored for you. You see? It's not broken, it's just thinking very hard. Okay. So it just takes time. But you have to think like there is a lot of things getting installed right now. On paper, Manjaro paths sound amazing. Yeah, I know. So it's kind of like a Manjaro, but executed on Nix, and so far executed very well. What's that opening line? Advertising protection in the down section? I don't know. What are we talking about, GFEDA? Tim, how are you doing, my man? It's populating the Nix store. Yes. So content creation, DaVinci Resolve 20.2.3. Nice. So that's good. And OBS Studio 32.01. Wow, okay. This one is a little bit old, but it's fine. This is the before last one, and this one is like before last. I think it's 32.03 here, something like that. I don't know, to double check, chat. 42.02, so no, you see I'm wrong. So it's actually super new. Good. So it's a big bump, right? You went from 19 to 20, from the 575 drivers to 580. So the model is working right now. Like we are in a really good spot. Look, 6.2 to 6.5 for KDE. 6.12 to 6.17. Dude, I just realized this is a big update, chat. Like now we are more like near rolling than stable for sure. Like this is huge. So kernel 6.18 planned for January. But we have Camille in chat who just said that the 6.18 just popped. So we don't have to push it for now. Nice. Okay, so it's pretty dope. So virtual camera integration optimization. Fix exFAT prog bug. Okay. Added a big warning in configuration Nix. Fix Quantum and auto suspend for USB, Calamares, XWayland, auto login, Xserver. Rounded window corner. Okay, for GNOME. Hibernation with graphic card. What? GLF fetch, now also called GLF fetch. I wonder who was the guy behind this.
Ooh la la,
he has to be really smart and good looking, I think.
A new croissant, the best club on internet.
Is 6.80 going to become LTS? Yeah, it should. Tedurian! Welcome back to La Crème de la Crème Club, Papa! Let's go! Thank you very much, my dude. Oh, it's done! Dude, that was fast! What the heck? I didn't time it. How long? How long did it take? You guys did something on the install, right? It seems way faster than it was before. Oh, it's just there. Dude, look. Flatpak can now be used as default, okay? 6-fold reduction in GLFOS Studio install time. What? It's all done, dude. 6 times faster. Man, this is awesome. Good job. Reduce need for compilation versus OmniSlash. Nice. Bug fix in welcome screen. Grub replaced with system deboot. Oh, no more grub. New improvement to Nix. GLF system info improvement. Added Phoenix wallpaper. Stream Deck compatibility added for Studio. What? Stream Deck compatibility. So you are pushing. Are you pushing some Flatpak packages? Like what is this? I'm confused about this. All of this I understand. This I don't understand. How was it not working before? It's just you just plug it. It's a USB device. What did you do exactly? Like how was it not compatible before? That's why I'm confused. The new Nix The package manager has some good update recently, make it faster. A huge thanks to all the contributors who worked on release, developer, tester, Camille, co-lead and dev, Didik, Mika, Jesma, Piavjon, Nobody Unku. Nice. Oh, now you have the UI. So you just implemented the flat pack, right? So now I'm you know what? You know what, dude? I lost my stream deck. What? Where's my stream deck? Aha! Oh yeah, you know what, dude? You know what, dude? We're gonna freaking try, dude! We're gonna freaking try! This thing better work, I'm telling you! Cause now I'm like curious about it. I'm like really curious about it, chat. Huh? Tellurian, thank you for your support again, dude. The Elgato Stream Deck needs to interface with the app. Probably couldn't set a direct key to the app before. Nice. All right, so let's restart, ladies and gentlemen. Man, I have to say this is good, chat. Like this is nice. So it's not like you're gonna be installing GLFOS every 10 minutes, but we only got one guy that tested. So, well, broski, you put it in the note. I'm gonna test it. Oh yes, Papa. Let's go. GLFOS. All right. Put it in the note, broski. I'm full confidence. Okay, this is booting fast too. I like that. We are on Wayland. You can. Ooh, you have the Steam. Oh, dude, we're gonna play, chat. Listen, chat. We're gonna play. I think we have a new toy here, dude. I'm telling you, Camille now is like, oh darn. What did I do? Why did we put this line in the freaking release? It's like, man, why did I do that to myself? Yep. Hello, Javan, what's up? Okay. So as a reminder, the first time you launch the Nvidia driver, sometime you can have module being built. That's why we had a black screen. We're gonna have to reboot to see if we still have it on the second reboot. But first reboot, it can happen. Okay, so this is a tool. Gaming oriented, sure. Studio, yes. Updates. GLFOS will check new updates 5 minutes after your PC start, and then every 12 hours. Yeah, we had this discussion, right, in the dev chat. About this. Oh. Uh-oh. Hey, Frico. Having trouble to get Patreon working with member-only video? Or is that not even possible? What do you mean, dude? Okay, R3 is here, chat. R3 is I'm gonna have to reset. Oh, maybe not. Wait. Now, maybe not. Wait. Yes. Confirmed. I can go in TTY. Maybe I can. Man, it was too good to be true. Oh, why? I think it's related to SDDM. Ah. Which one it is, chat? Okay, I'm gonna restart. Okay, I don't have to do a hard reset, which is pretty neat. But I'm pretty sure it's SDDM, chat. Because you see, it didn't freeze. It's just this freaking SDDM, which is launching itself for whatever reason. I couldn't find it. The SDDM service, so I blame the Kingston. This NVMe has been through the ringer. Oh, talking about that, chat. Wait. Look at this, dude. Look at those guys. Those one are gonna go to the PC because I'm eating SSD for breakfast, boys. With all the installation we did. I'm freaking eating SSD for breakfast. So do you think SSD are going to rise? Yes. They are going to rise, going to fall down, but I don't know for how long. I think that everything is going to rise, dude. That would be my take. It starts with the RAM. Then it's gonna be NVMe SSD. And then it's gonna be GPU. I would be my guess. Okay, so we are back, chat. And I didn't type the right password. Batman Dark SSD rises. On YouTube, you have member-only stream video. I thought Patreon and YouTube would connect so I can watch them. No, you can do that, Rico. Really, like what you do with Patreon, if you support the channel on Patreon financially, you're sending me cash, right? For the channel. That's what you are doing. So I'm putting sometime like specific content on Patreon, but to be super transparent, I didn't put a lot of effort into that. It's just the best way to support the channel financially, Patreon. Because they take like 8% of the money you send me. YouTube take 30%. So if you give me $100, YouTube take $30. No matter what. Whether it's a donation on YouTube, whether it's a membership. On Patreon, you give me $100, $92 arrive in my pocket, and they take $8. Right? If you send me money on Twitch, Twitch take 50%. 50, half of it. So if you send me $100, Twitch take 50. No question asked, like that. So the best way to support the channel is Patreon. Patrick, what's up? Airmax, system CTL soft reboot could be a nice command to use. Reboot everything excepting the kernel for some plasmas DDM issue. I didn't know that. Is it a real thing? Dovrin? No. Like right now, SDDM has some issue, right? So it's not related to the distro. I have the same issue on every other distro one and then after an upgrade. Okay, so man, this theming is really round, huh, dude? Disk management. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Can I click on it? So you can click on it, but nothing happened. Ah! Okay. Software Center. Yeah, so you click on that, but nothing happened, dude. So just a feedback. It's cool, but maybe in Medkit not clickable because it's confusing. And I know, I'm this guy. I'm like, I know, chat. I'm the guy. Okay. But you know deep down I'm right. The driver I installed. Cool. Can see right away. I'm gonna go dark. Yes. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the power stuff. Nothing. No. Okay. Same here. No. Okay. Now I'm gonna go for the mouse. No acceleration. Yes. Perfect, chat. So it does exist, Doverin. I didn't know about that. Thanks. I learned something today. Man, I actually learned something today. So let me check this. What did we say? Sudo system ctl soft. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna have to try just for science. Access denied. Well, seems like I'm doing something wrong. Do I have to do it differently? On non-immutable it works. Okay. All right. Well. Udaznik, what's up? Everything with KDE Plasma is an Arch Linux for me. Hey, you'll be surprised. This is not bad, chat. Okay, so it's installed. So what do we have installed right off the bat? So let's see. Audacity. Is it working? No problem. Okay. DaVinci Resolve. Okay, I'm gonna launch application like that just for fun, okay? Bro. Bro. So there is a new version released, but I'm using it every day. And it's not ready on Arch, for example, yet. So the script on Arch has not been updated, so you are not really like late to the party right now. Maybe you will be late in like 2 months from now, but okay. So here, can you see my 5090? This is a real question. Yep. CUDA is here, no problem, chat. Look at this. Whoa. It is cool. It is cool, dude. How are you, Fezzy? Okay. No, it doesn't work. User, you won't have access to that. Okay, it's fine, chat. It's fine. So DaVinci is good. FreeTube, I'm pretty sure it works. Good job, everyone. So let's see. 146 got released yesterday. 145. So this one has not been updated. Oh. This one needs to be updated. Because 146 bring a lot of stuff. Okay, that's fine. GLFOS environment selection, Mongoose configuration. So we have GIMP, Heroic. It's a nice install, chat. Let's be clear. To me, it's nice, right? Kdenlive in install too. Let me check something. Because I know where the issue can land, right? So the issue is going to be like, for example, can you use NVENC in this, right? This is a real question. So how do I look at this? Yeah. Yeah, you see the Nvidia card, chat. So NVENC is here. You see, this is what is important for me. Right? So this is cool, chat. He sees it. I have to say, this is pretty cool. So out of the box, you have driver installed. Okay. Configured, etc., etc. You can tell, like, it's doing the power usage correctly. I'm at 9 watt for the graphic card, right? KD is killing it. Its fundraiser is at 270k euro. Let's go, dude. Yo, John Parr. There is a bug with Nvidia cards that prevent 144Hz VRR mode on 4K. No way. Man, I hope they're gonna fix this. I never heard about that. So LibreOffice is here. Letris is here, okay. So Nix disk, this one is their application. This one I like very much. I'm gonna show you why. I'm gonna mount a disk like with a GUI like nothing before. So those are the drive in my machine. So this is a drive for Vantoy. This is a drive for playing with CachyOS when we stream. This is a drive where I put all the game, right? This is my Windows drive and this is my main drive, right? Encrypted. So let's go and do... We're gonna mount the benchmark. Okay, yeah, you see, he found it right away. Point de montage. Bench. Okay, so I just want to put this one, for example, plus. So how do I do that? Do I need to do something before? Wait. Bench. I just need to save. Oh, so it's building something now. So if I do... Okay, so let's start it again. Why it doesn't show up there? It doesn't show up here, chat. Okay. Oh, because it's called Nix disk. And normally, okay, it's mounted. But it's mounted twice, because I made a mistake. Okay, so I made a mistake. I made a mistake, chat. Man, I want to show you something cool and I just mess it up. Oh, okay, now it's fine. So here, honestly, it should... So, okay, this is just my 2 cents in terms of ergonomy, okay? I understand you want to save it here, but the way I will build that, I would have the save button when you go here. Here. Do you know what I mean? So, you put a refresh, auto refresh, and you save here. You don't want to save here because it's confusing because you go, you add it, it doesn't show up, and then you have saved. Like it doesn't make sense to me. Right? Well, anyways, so what happened like is like ls. Where did you put it? MNT mount media bench. Okay, put it there. I'm tired today, or am I not tired? Yeah, I'm tired. Okay, and now it's mounted. And now, if I reboot, it's mounted for life, right? it's gonna be consistent, which is pretty good. I think it's just the interface needs a little bit of work. Okay, OBS is here. So OBS, same thing, we're gonna check. Okay. Wow, he has everything, dude. Pretty dope, chat. So you have OBS native with all the features, dude. And he has a browser too. Oh la 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 la. This is good, chat. This is actually pretty neat. Cobus, how are you doing? So GNOME utility is so much better, but this is a trick. We are using Nix. So when you use Nix, I'm not even sure like GNOME utility work on Nix. Right? So it just needs a little rework and I think it should be fine. We don't need to reinvent the wheel here. So OpenRGB, okay. Wow, he find everything, chat. So this is my glorious mouse. I wanted glorious mode, allez. Working, chat. Now I'm gonna put it off, because I don't like this anyways. Off. Pretty dope. So what it means ready for us is like it's supported through the kernel, right? Because you need to add some configuration for it to work out of the box, and it's working out of the box, which is cool. Steam is here. Okay, so you have VLC and not MPV, huh, guys? Why not? And this is for the wheel. So if you have a wheel, so obviously I don't have one. You can just use oversteer to manage it. Does OpenRGB not work on the over distro? You need to configure it, right? OpenRGB works, but there is some module and permissions that need to be added. So if you use Arch, watch, I'm going to show you. If you use something that which is more like a manual, it needs to be configured. Right here, it's out of the box. Yeah, they don't explain it, but let me show you. This is for, voilà, you need to give the SMBus access. SMBus access is necessary for controlling RGB RAM and certain motherboard on board LED. If you are not trying to use OpenRGB to control RGB RAM or motherboard, you may skip this section. But you see, this need to be activated, because otherwise you won't have access to the RGB on your motherboard, right? So this need to be done. So I'm guessing they do it right. UDEV rule and plugin. Yeah. You need to be configured. This idea that you just install the package and it works is not true. This is what I'm trying to explain. It depends for what, dude. It depends for your hardware. It's always the same story, right? Me, I know personally if I want to use all my features, and especially what will happen there is like the RAM will not show up, right? And you can see here, my RAM is showing up here. My 2 stick of RAM. All right. OpenRGB need to have access to the hardware. Yep. So okay. So it's cool. It's ready out of the box. It's pretty neat. So what else do we have there? What else do we have, chat? Man, it's actually boring. Ah, ah, my man, the stream controller. Okay. Welcome to the stream controller. Asset store. Icon and Untergrund, herunterladen. We need some work there. Okay. Multi-deck, productive, plugin. No way, dude. No way, chat. Okay. Okay, ready, start. Okay, so I'm testing it right now. I'm gonna plug my Steam Deck. I'm gonna let it go, and then we'll see, okay? No deck available. Do you want? Yes, okay. Wait, I'm gonna plug it. Oh, dude. Elgato system Steam Deck has been connected. Create new. Stream test. Steam Deck original. Yeah, that's right. That's mine. It's an original, dude. I can't believe it, chat. Okay, so now I'm really curious, dude. Now I'm really curious. Okay, I'm just making a test, okay? Okay, and on this one we have nothing. So we have this one and nothing, okay? So I'm gonna go with OBS. Switch then. Yes. Okay, no problem, dude. Bro, don't copy my password, okay? Darn, I just kicked myself. Why it doesn't... Oh, papa! Okay, let's remove this authentication. We don't care. Yeah, sure. Don't care about the password. Hurry up. Nobody's gonna connect anyways. Dude, it's actually, I see it. Watch, I'm pressing the button right now. Bro. So it works. Listen, dude. It works. This is actually insane. It is actually insane. So let's do it again, okay? Because this WebSocket is like tapping on my nerve right now. I don't want a password. Okay. So he should be connected now. Switched in to OBS. Okay. And now if I do that, and I pass it here, and I go there, and I switch to none. Okay. And now I start to be like, I switch with the button. It works, dude. Look at this, chat. It is working. I'm switching with the button. Bro. You know what I'm thinking right now? You know what I'm thinking? You know what I'm thinking, chat? This could be a really good base for a stream machine. Yeah. Because you have Nix, you know it's stable. You know. Look at this, chat. Beep, pop, beep. Beep, pop, beep, beep, beep. Yeah, I'm a child. Okay, so I'm being like, but you get the idea, right? It's working, chat. I don't know if I can show you the Steam Deck. Yeah, watch. Look at this dude. Anyways, that's pretty sweet. But you know what? We need to make sure that the sound is actually working on my machine. So I'm gonna let that connected. Let's see if the bug I had last time has been fixed. Because this is a real problem, in my opinion. So I'm gonna config my pipe wire real quick. We're gonna game and we're gonna see where we are at. Okay, chat. So I'm just configuring my sound card right now. Okay, so we're on 6.17.10. NixOS 2511. Okay. Camille. Yeah, it's kind of important to have sounds. Yeah, I agree. So let's see at least for my hardware, right? Because It looks like it's just a me problem at this date, unfortunately for me, but... Alright, the sound is here.
Front, left, front, right.
Okay, sound is working here. Holy cow! Man, there were a huge sound outside, and it's just a huge truck which removes the snow, you know? I was like, what's happening? What's going on? Okay, so we're gonna install a game. And we'll see where we are, chat. GLF OS? Great. Okay, now. Okay. Let me check that. Okay, I'm logging in, chat. Steam. I'm gonna mount I'm gonna put the game, okay, available. And we're gonna launch some game and we'll see if it works, chat. And ta-da! Working, dude. Cool. Okay, we are on the bleeding edge. So what game are we gonna play, dude? Let's do some bench right away. So is it stable? I mean, it's based on Nix, but is it GLF not beta anymore? No, it's not beta anymore. It's done. So this is their first release after they released. Does it make sense? Is it like their second release? I don't know. Put Nix on streaming machine, just happy coincidence. I could, but I need to see the sound first. Right? I need to see if we got the sound. So here I remove the sound of the settings because each time I put the sound here, I got a copyright issue, so I don't put sound in this benchmark anymore. Let's see the performance. And then we're gonna game and see if the sound stop. Because this is the issue I had last time with the distro. I had some issue related to the sound. It will just work and then it will stop for whatever reason. But so far, it's a win, chat. They even deliver on the Stream Deck. Can you believe it? Sofo, what's up? Choose Proton GE by default is experimental. No, I use by default Proton experimental bleeding edge from Valve. Salut Zoka, what's up? If you have an issue with the sound, maybe if you put a go on it for more than 1 day, we could work on a problem. Okay. Okay. So just for you to know, like the all-time record on this benchmark, I think it's 367. Using Nix on a laptop is a pain in the ass. Why? So how do update on GLF work? Is it rolling with the current NixOS packages? Which brand are they using? Stable or unstable? So they are unstable. But I think they play with the package version. So they really decide upstream, like within their package, which one should go and not go, right? But I'm pretty sure it's unstable. So they have their own like package delivery. Let's word it this way. No pant chat. Man, it seems like we're gonna have a record there. It seems pretty high. It seems pretty high, the benchmark. 59. Okay, so no record, chat. Again, ultimate record was 67. Okay, not bad. Not bad though. It is margin of error. It's 8 frame on a result which is like 360 frame. So it's still margin of error. Save all the game launch. I'm pretty sure they're gonna launch that. There is nothing particular, right? This is Steam running native on a almost like bleeding edge distro. You record with the second PC? Yes. Beyond Broccoli. I have a streaming PC. We're gonna try to install a package together. Let's adopt Loli 2014. Are you still using Windows on your streaming PC? Yes, and I'm gonna switch back to Linux. I was running Linux before. I switched back to Windows because there is a bug in OBS. It was not because of Linux. There is a bug on OBS, Linux OBS, right? I made a video about that, so I had to switch back to Windows for my streaming PC, which is a shame. But I have even more problem on Windows. Man, the game is struggling, huh, chat? Oh, okay. Let's say we have sound. Because this could be related to the sound issue, the fact that he kind of like didn't launch at the beginning. Because the sound is here, sound is not here, and this is what I've noticed with this particular distro on my machine. Yeah, there is no sound again. It's funny because that's the only distro I have this issue with. Like there is no other distro that do that to me.
Front, left, front, right.
If I do that. Nope. I don't know why, chat. I know my sound is configured properly because it works on every other distro. It's just with this one, dude. Yeah, we heard the front left, front right, but we don't have sound in game. Right? So there is something going on. So what happened normally is like I play a game and after a certain amount of time, the sound like cut and then it come back again. But here it didn't even start. So we're gonna try again and again, but like I'm frustrated. So 234, 178, it's really good. So this is a performance type of like CachyOS here. This is CachyOS type of performance strat. You shouldn't have to do that. You see, you shouldn't have to do that. So I'm gonna go out. Okay. We're gonna try another game. What game are we gonna play? Well, I'm gonna try this one. Like that we can chill. 8-bit DO device, recognize out of the box, cool. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh man, this sound doesn't want to launch? The heck? Okay. Okay, now we have sound. We'll see if it stays there, okay, chat? I'm gonna play a little. I love this game, chat. Whoop! Yes. I'm just checking if the 5090 is not burning over there. Because this game is pumping like... This game is pumping like 600 watts. I'm not even kidding. Believe it or not, chat. Can I go the other way? Oh no. What? Yes. Yeah, sound is low because I said it this way in the game. But the sound didn't stop yet. So maybe they fixed it, I don't know. Maybe it was something related to the old kernel they used before. Okay. Seems fine. Let's do another run. I'm gonna go this side of the mountain this time. Yeah, we're gonna launch Mango Head like that. You can see the performance. Allez, allez, we land this one. Oh la la, what a monster, dude! Oh, papa! Man, why I can't land this thing? Yeah, just do one. Woohoo! Land it! Yeah! Whoa! Dude. Okay, I'm gonna force it, chat. Yeah, it's just too hard. It's just where I land is too hard, chat. Yeah, I just can't land it. So I'm gonna go this way. Oh. In French, it's called la faute de car. It's like when your board goes into the snow really hard. Come on, bro. You got this. No, man. Okay, he doesn't want to do it. Darn! Come on, dude. I just can't land it. Okay, if I go slow like that, maybe? No, I can't. You see? I just can't. Oh, yes, I did. Nice. Yes. Easy, papa. Oh no! Okay, easy, papa. Yes. So you can also like jump on those things, but it's hard to land on them. This is not like, you know, you press a button and you kind of like land on it and you just... Here you have to perfectly like land on it and do the right move, so... Oh! Yeah. Okay, dude. He's like, no, I don't want to play with you, Armax, anymore. I'm eating too much snow with you. Ah! Ah, I missed it! Darn it. Allez. Yes! Little bonk! So, when you lived in Marseille and you want to go skiing, where do you want to go? Pyrenees or the Alps? Alps are closest to Marseille. And there is like station like which are like in the Alps, like lower part of the Alps, which are not far at all, dude. So I would say Alp. For example, I never had the chance to go skiing a lot, right? Like, to be fair. But when I went, it always has been in the Alp. It's just easier, right? I have to think like in 3 hours you are at the top of the Mont Blanc, like from Marseille. 3 or 4 hours of driving. So you are in the highest like mountain in all Europe in less than 3 hours. I did do, like when I was younger, the longest slope, like the longest, like I don't know how to say that, like track in, I think it's in Europe or even in the world. It took me like, I think 45 minutes to go from the top to the bottom, dude. Non-stop skiing, 45 minutes. That was pretty dope, man. Xarian, are you leaving? Yeah, it seems like we're having a technical discussion in the chat. I didn't follow, I'm sorry, chat. I was just like Just checking the map, I thought Marseille was more west. No, it's more east. It's more east. It's almost in the middle. Maybe Montpellier is in the middle, kind of. When you look at mountain and stuff. But yeah. It's more east, dude. Oh, I landed that. Dude, I landed that. Salut, intuitive player. Free will is a heavily debated topic. What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh, the tree! I love this game, chat. Like, I can do whatever the F I want. And the feeling on the remote is just awesome. I think I kind of sucks. Like I've done most of the trial and stuff. I was successful, but like the latest ones are pretty hard, and I just can't do it. I just can't do it. I'm starting to ask myself if I have the skill for this type of game, you know, chat? And I remember, like, when I did the review on stream of this game, some people actually bought it. Some viewers bought it, and they were like, dude, you make it look so easy. Like, is it... Oh! You make it look so easy. And then when you play the game, you're like, it's not that easy as it looks, right? And no, it's not. But it's super good to play. Like, this game is actually awesome to play with. I missed. And I saved it. You've reached old age, can't do it anymore? Yeah, but now I can do Dad's joke. Right? I couldn't do Dad's joke before. I would have looked really weird. But now I'm a dad, so I can do Dad joke and everybody's happy. They're like, oh, this guy is such a dad. With his dad joke. Know what I mean? Alright, so it seems like the sound issue is not there anymore. Dude! Do you think Buzzite deck mode will work with an RTX card? And with an integrated AMD GPU? So, is this one question or two questions, Brini? I think it should work with the Nvidia card. I don't know why. We're gonna retry. Boy, it feels like I'm at like 20 FPS right now. Papa joke. No, but you know what I mean, right? Okay, now it feels good. So I know. It's not a reliable benchmark, but still. I do it all the time. Decent, chat. Yeah, it's not pumping all the juice for whatever reason. Okay, so let's install application now. So let's say I'm a total noob and I want to install so GLFOS, and I want to install application. So do they have a wiki for that? So what's the documentation, chat? Because we installed it, now we cool, okay? Now I'm like, wiki. I don't want Flatpak. I want to install. Okay, that's what I want to do. There is two things I want to install. Add your stable application here. Add your unstable app here. Okay? Alright, so. So, NixOS packages, Kitty. So I'm guessing this is a way. Where do Canadians in the eastern half go downhill skiing? It's mostly flat, isn't it? Yes. There is some place you can go ski, but it's like a 2-minute, 3-minute like downhill ski type of experience. So you would have to go in Vermont, like more east, like in New York in the US, or you're gonna have to go full west in the Rocky, you know, like near Vancouver, like east of Vancouver a little bit, in the big mountain over there. But the experience is not like the Alp, right? It's not like European skiing. It's more like you have big mountain, but it's not really sunny, you know? When you go in the Alp, it's cold, but you have the sun, so it's kind of like this experience. If you do the same in Canada, at least from what I've heard, I never had the chance to do it yet, but it's cold. You know what I mean? Like you go up there and like... Oof. Brini, we don't do support during the stream, brother. Okay, I don't want to be this guy, but we're talking about NixOS and different stuff. We don't do support. Okay, broski. Okay, so I would say you go there and you had so pkgs kitty pkgs what else do I want you to install? Don't remember, chat. I was thinking about installing something. What I was thinking, dude. Okay, let's start with that for science. Someone asked something in chat. And I was like, yeah, we're gonna install it. Game mode, Mongo, it's already installed by default. Yo, Vince. Software Socialist, what's up, buddy? Okay, so let's do this, for example. See what happens. If I can have like Kichi, because this is what I want right now. For example, the NixOS package is site. You can click on the NixOS configuration and you can paste the entire command. But I would like to be within my configuration. I'm following their wiki, right? So oh, got it. Okay, you're right. Okay, now I understand. Thanks, buddy. Bokmo is right. You just do that. You go here and bam, you had it. Okay, well. I want NVTop too. That's the one I want. I want to see my... I don't think it's pushed by default. We're going to see after that. So here is doing something. Oh, we're going to wait, I guess. We'll have to reboot, no problem. Proton, we have Proton. So let's see with while we are waiting this thing to install, if we have the sound now in Cyberpunk. Maybe I should have switched to Proton G too. Okay, now we have sound. Okay, still doing his thing here. No problem. Pasha, do you still have both the 4090? Yes, I still have both. It's just in the package there, the 4090. I'm gonna sell it soon. I'm waiting a little bit. Because I think the price is going to go up again.
My guest tonight is Lieutenant.
Jet. Is it not the best card in the game? Watch, watch. Wham! Wham! Allez, papa! Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Move out! Move out!
The hell?
Get out! I don't have brake anymore!
Disturbance in Haywood.
I don't have brake!
Okay, on our way.
I'm compiling Kichi right now!
Oh, the nerve.
Get the... Bro! Oh, oh.
All units, suspect has evaded patrol. Resume search immediately.
Cyberpunk for playing with the smart,
vehicle
yeah.
has been located. Details have been sent.
It's for testing the performance, dude. I don't have brake, boys!
Don't.
Oh! Man, this smart is solid, like. Look at this. Telling you, best car in the game. Self-driving cars those days. Oh. Okay, let's go! I'm not scared, dude. They will never find me, dude.
Easy.
Whoa! That's the best car, man. Like, just jealous of my car, buddy. Look at the top speed. Oh!
Police! You're shooting at police!
I'm not shooting, dude. You're shooting. Holy cow! Oh yeah, you think you can get me?
And fuck you!
You will never get me, dude! You... No! Jump! How do I get out of this car? Dude, I wanna get out! Oh no! I didn't know the button to get out of the car, dude. Okay. Let's go back. The sound is working this time, so I don't know what you did. Couldn't get out, man. EF, yeah, I tried it. I couldn't get out. That car cracked me every time. Yeah, I know. This car is the best. Oh, okay, we are done with the update. So we have. I'm gonna add something else, chat. So let me check. NV top. I think this is the one. Okay, I will say this one, chat. Oh, we're gonna redo it again. It's fine. We don't care. Whoa, I opened the door. We deactivate auto suspend for USB audio card, or maybe this was the one, chat. Controller disconnected. Yes. My bad. Okay. Okay, sure. Oh, this is how I shoot. Dude, this is so cool, look! Hey, what's up? I said what's up!
Attention, we got disturbance in Haywood.
Wait.
Causing trouble again? Okay, on our way.
Wait. How do I... Yeah. Whoop!
All units be advised. Suspect remains in the vicinity.
You can get me!
Suspect's vehicle has been located. Details have been sent.
Oh no! No! You can get me, dude! So let's go to a place where it's really thin. Ah, you can't. Up, brain the cop. Man, they shoot a lot, huh? Watch. Up! Overweight, brain again. Oh, sorry, bro. Dude. Mr. Bean is on the loose. Okay, let's do that again. Sigato, what's up? I just came in. How is the experience been so far? So it's just it's in margin of error with CacheOS. I like it, dude. Now, can you play with the scheduler? I don't think so. Right? Like, this is more like a full experience out of the box, right? We're gonna launch Arc Raider to see if I can play it without playing with the scheduler. Oh, watch, that's a cop. Hey, I'm not looking for trouble, but I want to show you something, dude. Look at this door. Look, 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 dude! Yeah, you didn't see it, look! Whoa. Whoa, are you doing your job?
All
See?
available units, emergency backup requested in Hayward.
Look how cool it is!
Hey, like any other. Roger, dispatch.
Okay, so now we want to look for the real cop. Where are you, boys? Where are they?
Suspect's vehicle has been located. Details have been sent.
This one bullshit shit, man.
Oh no! Oh my gosh, they are upset. Okay, so let's see if my plan work. You can get me, guys. I'm no, no, you can't. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh no. Wait. Look at this. Oh yeah. Ah, darn. I can't even get there. I would like to go in the stairs. Car looking like Hot Wheels? Yes. Alright, so I don't think we have the sound issue anymore. So the fact that you deactivated auto suspend for USB audio card makes the difference. Good job, guys. Right? I think this was a key, chat. And we did install NVTop. So apparently I need to restart. Okay, so we're gonna restart, chat. Because I want to see how much I'll draw out of this thing. So we're gonna restart with a quick chat. I remember pre 2.0 evading the police was that simple. Just drive straight line fast enough. Yeah. So I don't know if you noticed, but you have out of the box you have ProtonG installed, right? You have Steam ready to go. You got a lot of update and a new kernel. Did I? So let's check. Do I have Kichi? The most important. Ah! Ta 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 ta! Tom! Yes! Okay, so we have it now. NVTop. No GPU to monitor. So new kernel. It was a 10. It was a 10. Now it's 11. So I made a mistake, I guess. Oh, and they upgraded Firefox too. So why it did not upgrade right off the bat? Like, I don't understand. Was he not supposed to upgrade everything? It's written that there is an automatic update after 5 minutes, which I'm not super happy with, but Oh, that's the one I want. This is the one I want. I made a mistake. I made a mistake, chat. I have to reboot again. Yeah, it was my mistake, chat. More like a pre-configured Nix, I guess. Yes, that's what it is, right? But this is what you signed for, right? So what I'm gonna do next, what I want to try. So the sound issue is done. We have the performance, which is, let's say it's like pretty awesome, chat. So this OS is just NixOS made easier. It's a full package, right? It's like, think about it this way. When you install Bazzite, in fact, you install Bluefin for gaming. That's what you install, right? When you install GLFOS, you install NixOS for gaming and content creation. Could you do it yourself? Yes. Can you transform your Arch into CachyOS? You could. It's gonna be a headache for you, but you could. Same for this, right? Did we test DaVinci? Yes, DaVinci work out of the box, no problem. Yeah, it looks like it's compiling CUDA for NGTop, which is odd. I put the full one, right? So, it's fine. I don't care. Meanwhile, FreeBSD users, hey, don't start the distro war, okay? I think it's really good that we have so many options, right? What I like about that, outside of the fact that I participated in it, is the fact that you have an alternative to Bazzite. Like, to me, this is really what it is. Right? And it's a pretty, like, lean alternative. That's what I like. Right? After you like it, you like it, you don't like it, it's another story, right, chat? But I think it's a really good alternative for someone who just want to install something, do minimal office stuff, and play games, and sometimes like create content. You have some things that exist, right? So this is good. You should try gaming on FreeBSD. Yeah, maybe. Could take a long time for CUDA. Darn. So you have to go with the Nvidia one. So it's just a problem the way they package their stuff, right? That's fine. I want CUDA anyways. We're gonna do some LLM maybe. Do you enjoy Hyperland at all? I like it, but it's just too much work for me. Well, yeah, Camille, we're gonna do that too. We're gonna try the Steam session. I just want to use NVTop and see how it works, right? I like the idea of Hyperland, but this thing is not great, huh? So let's go to the normal one, I guess. Yeah, my SSD is dying right now. That's why it takes so much time to launch stuff. I don't think my CPU is in pain. It's just my SSD. Like when you see the IO, where is it? IO percentage. Where can I see that? Yeah, here's the IO. You see it? Like it's struggling here on my root disk, and it's just like dying. Look, my CPU is not even working. I'm at 600 megahertz. Lol. We need to switch. I have the drive. I just need to install it physically. I didn't have time to do it. So that's why I opted out of NixOS. It was great to share the same config between desktop and laptop, but compiling package on the laptop was a pita. Would you ever do a video going over racing KDE? I did one. My racing skill is really bad, dude. You know, I did one. I called it like the poor man rice. Chat. I literally called it like this way. Let me check. Poor man rice. Yeah, it's exactly what I did. You see, this is a bad rice, but it works for me, dude. Yeah, we're gonna have to get rid of this SSD. It makes me sad. You know what I mean? Sometimes like rice. Man, I'm sure. Where is it? Man, I thought I did one. What the heck? Promise you, chat. I thought I did one not so long ago. Maybe I passed it. Maybe I did not, chat. Oh yeah, it's here. Old man rice. Racing KDE in 10 minutes with no theme, minimalist sex. Oh, I have it here, dude. I can't believe this video has 7,000 views, dude. Control C this shit. Okay. Okay, let's do the fast one. So yeah, if you want to see my crazy rice, but that's what I use on a daily basis.
Staples can.
And I like it. Like it's super efficient to what I do, right? Yeah, so that will be my video racing type of approach. You can watch it in 4K, dude. You can watch it in 4K. Look at this. Look how cute it is. Voila, simple, looking good. Look at this. Up, you put your shortcut. Look at this beast. I know people are gonna be jealous in the chat, but hot dog theme is the only worth rice. I can't believe I put 7,000 views on this. Okay, we'll reboot, no problem. We'll reboot, chat. It's fine. Thanks for being so chill and making Linux approachable for over chill, dude. I appreciate you. I appreciate you for watching, dude. My first rise had a total screw-up theming with light versus dark icon and font color totally unreadable. We're fine, chat. No worries. Listen, we can reboot. It's fine. No stress. All bets on failed boot? Why? Saf, what's up? Ramad. What's up, buddy? Alright, so can I have NVTop? Yes! Bro, we did it! Look at this! It's working, chat. So I have NVTop. It's fairly easy to install stuff, right? It triggers me that when I do okay, now it's fast. Okay. Oh yes, now it's working, chat. Oh la. This looks like a nice distro. It's pretty neat. So here's what we're gonna do now. So concentration, okay. Gaming, okay. All right. Wanna do maybe another game, but we can install packages, no problem. You know, this is what we're looking for. Let's see, LibreOffice. We have Discord also available here. We have everything is working. Okay, yeah, it's working. Okay. So one question though. Oh, Discord is Flatpak, okay. That's all. So you have Discord, Easy Flatpak. Okay. Nah, it's fine. Alright. Discord in Flatpak for crisp only. Got it. I'm gonna reboot and I wanna see this because I'm gonna show you what I think is pretty cool this time. You can choose Wayland or you can choose Steam or you can choose X11 for your your desktop environment. So I'm like, let's reboot on Steam and see what happened. Yeah, it was the right command, Kami. Grub, only bootloaders that support encrypted/boot. The real question is like, do you need it? Right? SSD is driving me nuts. Listen, I have a PayPal. If you want me to upgrade, you know where it lands, chat. You know where it lands, chat. It's all the same story, dude. The nerve of the war. Le nerf de la guerre. But the good news is here, chat. The good news. It's coming, dude. It is coming. And it's because of the support. Financial support of some of you guys, so I appreciate it. Dis le mec avec une 590. Yeah, but the 1590 is for the show, brother. Okay. It's for the show, dude. You always have a bottleneck. That's how it is, chat. Alright, so we're gonna switch to Steam. Okay, and we're gonna see where it lands. I have no idea where it's gonna land, chat. But we're gonna try. Desktop session in Steam. How is going the 4090? She sleep good? Press any button. So I'm gonna go, dude. Let's say you want to build a console and you don't want to install Bazzite and you go with this. So I'm just gonna use my my button, okay? Yeah, we don't do parental control, have fun. No way, chat. No freaking way, dude! I think you lose some gaming performance. My games are on a 4 terabyte NVMe 5 drive. I think we're fine, mostly. It's just I use a drive to reinstall my distro, that's all. But the games are on the good drive. Okay, refresh rate, not good. So I guess we have to do some... Yeah, refresh rate not good, I can tell right away. But it's working, dude. Wow, papa! So you can use it as a console. Bro, won't need Bazzite if you have GLFOS, dude. With NixOS. We're gonna have to do a benchmark though. Yeah, the refresh rate is not set up correctly. He put me like at like 60 FPS, something like that. So you could install that distro on a mini PC and have kind of like a SteamOS type of experience, right? It's not finished. Return to desktop mode did not work. So what? You just have to reboot to return to desktop mode? It's fine. Steam session, configure 60 refresh rate. Yeah, I can feel it right away, dude. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna do it here. So enable HDR by default. Sure. So I don't want to share this part, but I don't have access to the resolution. For whatever reason, I don't have access to still experimental, but I use it every day on my PC console. Okay. So I don't have access to the refresh rate of my screen, neither the resolution. I'm going to show it to you, chat. Normally it should be here. See, I go in display here, and I should be able to choose, right? Even if I click on that, it should be here. But it works, right? I think it's done through Nix config, not sure for Steam session argument. Yeah. Look at me, I'm your Steam Deck now. But this is the idea, right? Like you just use it as, yeah. MSI MPG 32 URX QD OLED. Ooh, this look good, bro. This look pretty fancy if you ask me. Toof, 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 toof. It's in the pipe. It's in the pipe, it's not ready yet. No worry. We are not going to judge the distro on that, but I think it's a pretty good feature that, in my opinion, need to be developed, right? It need to be developed because for the distro to exist as a gaming level, this is almost a requirement nowadays. I think the next step for gaming distro is secure boot. Even if it's useless, it's gonna be a requirement. And the second one is gonna be like a proper SteamOS experience with Nvidia support. Hey Vixie, what's up, my man? Like so far, it's a no issue at all for this operating system, dude. Everything works. We are missing Blender. Blender is missing, chat. Okay, but all the rest. Good job, guys. This is good. I want to see if we lose performance while using Steam, like the Steam session with the Nvidia card. So we are running the game in Ultra 1440p. We got 237 average and 178 minimum. Let's see if we land at the same spot. I don't think we will. I noticed that when I run through a Steam session, I lost, I would say, like between 10 and 15%. So we'll see if it's the same here. I don't know what game will need secure boot under Linux. So secure boot is a requirement because it's a barrier to entry for people who want to switch to Windows to Linux. Because most of the users right now on Windows, they have secure boot. And just having to disable secure boot and kind of like playing risky with their Windows install is an issue. It's a barrier to entry. That's why I'm saying like most of those distros, they need to have it now. None of the game on Linux required secure boot. It's more like a transition type of aspect, where you had a new barrier for someone who want to try Linux on their PC. Hey, 231? Not bad! So you don't lose performance anymore. Oh, ho, ho, ho. This is good, chat. Yeah, that's a fair point. You also need secure boot if you want a dual boot for certain game. Okay, so 231 FPS. And we were at 237. So it's still margin of error, right? It's like 2.5%, 3%. So, dude, it's actually good, chat. The 4090 will have a new life under your TV? No, I'm selling it. I'm selling it, bro. I can't afford the 4090 plus a 5090, broski. On paper, I can't even afford the 5090. But yes, pretty interesting. So I'm frustrated because I'm running the game in 50 Hz, right? But I think if you run it on a TV, 60 Hz should be enough. Some of the new TVs are 120, 165 Hz.
My guest tonight is Lieutenant Sarah Kokoski, spokeswoman for the
Be better to sell the 5090? No.
Welcome to the show.
Hello, Ziggy. Thanks for having
I can trade the 4090 for 2 by 16 GB of DDR5.
Carjackings or drive-bys along the way?
Nah. I'm good, thanks. But I like it. Oh! Man, none of the car has this Lamborghini style, dude. Okay, let's go buy some broccoli, dude.
Watch it.
Sorry guys, I'm going to the market. Oh, hey, sorry bro.
Disturbance in Haywood.
Kids causing trouble again? Okay, on our way.
Hey, what? Why? I'm here for the broccoli. My car is so small, he doesn't even feel the pain, the guy. Sorry,
By
yeah.
units, suspect is still at large in the area. Suspect has disappeared. All units on site continue searching the area.
Okay, broccoli time, chat.
Hey, go fuck yourself.
Sure. Oh, sorry. Alright. How does it look on stream? Oh!
Suspect's vehicle has been located. Details have been sent.
You will never get me, dude. Look at this move. This is the power of this car. Oh man, oh man, this is a gang! Oh no, this is a gang! Okay, wait. Oh no, dude! Bro! I was just able to do my trick! And there is a freaking gang there! Oh. Anyways, you see, I think this is good. I'm gonna tell you something, chat. If you play a game on Linux and you forget you are playing on Linux, you win. Where is the broccoli? I couldn't find that, bro. Freaking broccoli, man. Okay. We are out. It is pretty cool, dude. You need to warm me first. Hot tea everywhere now, my man. But you get the point, right? It is working pretty good. Godlike burger. So yeah, I got those games from. So we're gonna have to talk about this too, chat. I got those games from the latest Humble Bundle, and it was pretty neat. Like the Humble Bundle this month is actually insane. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reboot. Okay, we're gonna reboot in normal mode, and I'm gonna try Arc Raider because someone asked me in the chat what's going on with the SCADX. So this could be also something interesting for you guys. Vindicify, what's up? Quer2, it's good to hear the sound from the game. Yep. Feels good, huh? I often forgot that I'm gaming on Linux so much that I start to wonder why isn't my Unreal Engine 5 game stuttering. Then I realize it's Linux. Yes. Some of them, they still stutter on my PC, unfortunately, because of Nvidia. Like, it's still a mess. But unfortunately, like, one day, dude. Skid X as a regression or something? No. For playing Arc Raider on my PC, on most of the distro right now, I need SCADX. So it's related to my hardware, right? AC2, what's up, my dude? What is new with GLF? Dude, it's not GLF, it's GLFOS. Alright, so let's try... Arc Raider. Gonna make sure we are with Proton GE, okay? Sure, okay, man. Okay, dude. So the idea is like, do we need SCADEX on GLFOS? This is a real question, chat. Okay, that's a real question. And we're gonna try to answer it. It is working pretty well with my 5080, but did you try different SCADEX, Vince? Because it's not because it doesn't work pretty well. Like, it works better with some SCADEX setup. Especially the tickless one. You did it, Raider. Darn, I didn't play enough. I didn't play enough, chat. So is it still doing the... Okay, no, I think it's done. Great. Practice range, let's go. Did you see G added more argument like GLSS and FSR4 indicator? No, I didn't check that. I'm not playing Stalker 2 because of huge performance drop compared to Windows. Massive Nvidia issue. Yeah, we know. But, listen, dude. I think it's gonna be resolved before June. So yeah, it works. You don't need anything on this one, chat. Nothing to do, chat. Our config is validated by TKG. Well, you can say that TKG did a great job, chat. Okay, cause me like. You know how it works. Like, you can tell me that the freaking pop validated the config. I will say yes. Well, I still want to try it, right? And here, it seems fine. I still believe. Yeah, that's my config. I was just checking. Oh yeah, what are you gonna do, Xero? By the way, how are you doing? So this will replace Debian Trixie this afternoon. I'm reinstalling GLFOS. Nice. So now it's working, chat. I still like. Okay, so let me explain that. Really, it's really important. It's way more playable than what you would get on another distro without the SCADX. Alright? But Tickless is still like giving me a little bit more smoothness somehow. So not by a lot. Okay, like it's super smooth, don't get me wrong. But yeah. So don't forget, chat. Like this is. If you want to add packages, if you want to start to play with this distro, you're gonna be in NixOS, okay, chat? Like this is NixOS. This is not like Arch or whatever, like, right? So it takes that in consideration, or Debian, right? You see, it's kind of like it still does it. Like nothing compared to what you would get with some like an experience out of the box with other distro without the SCADX. For example, on Fedora, I couldn't play here. Right? I had to switch the kernel. I had to do like so many stuff. So here it works, right? But you can tell it's not smooth at 1000% or 100%. I would say like we're at 98% here. So I made those numbers, but you know what I meant. Oh, give me a gun. Okay, ammunition, where is it? No. Whatever. Okay. Okay, man, I still got it, huh, chat? With this old like mouse I took out just for fun. Oh la la! Oh dude, I gotta, what the? Attends, my first year on Linux, I've been using Windows for a week now. I must say I miss the way everything just runs here. Not everything is rainbow and sunshine, of course. It's still Windows after all. True. Chris Ness, what's up? Yeah, it's also depend on like what you do with your PC, right? Still got it. Easy shot, easy shot. Okay, so let's see if we can... Okay. Let's see if we can install it. I'm wondering if they have all the configuration, right? Let's install it. Freaking SSD chat. Yeah. No. No way. No way, dude. You were running? Can't believe it. Is there something happening in the background I'm not aware of? What the heck is happening, dude? Okay. Yeah, something's happening. Don't know what it is, but so what the heck is happening? Stream Deck is running. Yeah, I don't think Stream Deck is gonna do anything regarding that. But something is happening. That's odd. Watch my IO. Do you have some type of like... Oh yeah, you're right. It didn't stop. Something is happening in the background. Watch. It shouldn't be writing like that. Okay, now it's done. What was that? Okay, so he has it there. Okay, so something was compiling in the background. SSD dying? I don't think so, dude. We can blame the SSD for a lot of things, but okay, so let's see how you run it. Okay. CPU was at 0%, but something was happening with the NIC store. You can watch the replay, like there was something related to the NIC store. So something was writing on disk. I don't know what it was. It's something related to the SSD, yes, but something was using the SSD. Exactly, Steven. That's what I believe. I don't think it will update like that, I guess. I don't think so. Alejandro, what's up, dude? Like, it's still a good... Like, let's be clear. The SSD itself is not the best, but it will be representative of what the user use. You know what I mean? Like, it's not like... It's not NVMe Gen 5 4 terabyte, right? Okay, but it's also not like it's still a SSD. So if you start to write like 2 gigabytes of data on it, it's kind of like slow down. And what happened is like in most of the distro, which are not like heavy on the write and read, it would still be fine, right? So how do you install that? I want tickless. Okay, so you just launch it like that? Okay, so let's see. So kernel should be compatible, shouldn't be a problem for sure. They have all the settings there, so we're gonna do that. I want the flag for tickless, yes. Okay, that's the flag. Alright, so it's running now. And now, let's go! Arc Raider. Same player, play again, chat. Yep. Yep, it's Narco. So this would be super easy to install, maybe. Like... This is still super easy to install for the end user, I guess. You don't need to put it in the distro. But in my opinion, like this adds a ton of value. You could check its approximate health in QDisk info. Yes. Let's don't like. We're not going to do that today, chat. I don't want to have a headache. Play practice range, yes. For me, it was some strange Baloo service. Yeah, I had that too, dude. It was overloading my SSD hard. It happens there. Yeah, you still need it. So, we had like Vince who was saying like, yeah, I run well on my 5080. Just do what I done. Okay, for everybody who was playing this game, or any other game, by the way, you launch the game without it. Okay, and what you do for checking if it actually works, you do like me. And what I mean is like you do like me. You go on a straight line like that, and you run, right? And you see if from time to time you have like a just a little, a small. It's not that hard, but you will see it. With tickless, there is no more. Right? So it's not big, and I know some of you guys who won't care. Me, I do care, right? Because this is what makes a big difference in certain game, because you're gonna be like, hey, there is a guy there, I need to get it, or there. And at the moment you turn your mouse, you're gonna have this little like click, and instead of arriving like right in the center here, or right on the 10 here, you're gonna arrive there, and you're gonna miss your shot. Right? But here, it won't happen anymore. So try it. Picard, what's up, my man? So we can do it live now because this is how cute it is. I'll tell you. Once. It's not huge. But you'll see from time to time it's gonna be like crick crick. So obviously it doesn't want to... Up, it did it there. Did it again. You can see it here. If you look at this, it's gonna be like flush and then it's gonna be like tick tick. Up, again, it did it. Did you notice? Again, when I jumped. Again here, it did it again. Again, you saw it. Right? So, try it. Okay? Give me your feedback, but I'm pretty sure that all of you guys are gonna thank me. Because it's just a line, right? You had the thing, you run it, and then... ta-doom! Not happening anymore. See? So it's not a lot, right? And especially like it happened when you switch from one thing to another. Okay, that was me. I'm not saying it's gonna change drastically everything, but you're gonna feel the difference. Oh. So, I don't know if it's a feature you want to implement it by default or whatever. But it could be a nice little wiki stuff, because it's fairly easy. And then what you need to do here, you enable that as a service. So there is a wiki somewhere where you can be like... Because what they do with CacheOS, they have a GUI, so you can switch it. But the GUI really what it does, he uses this, I think. So now this is with dbus. I'm pretty sure you can enable it with the service. Yeah, that's the GUI. They have a nice stuff there. So this is not really how you want to start it. Like, there is a terminal stuff. Wait. Maybe there's relax, config, BPF no, verbose, version, help, frequency, sliced. Maybe in the Arch wikis there is a way to build like a service to have it on all the time. Or maybe on their GitHub, actually. I'm doing that, but maybe on their GitHub. Yeah, here you go. Where is the wiki chat? Wiki. Whoa! Anyways, now I'm looking at it. I'm like, maybe it could be a good video for the channel. Because you don't want to have to start it like that. Like it's not fun, right? I'm pretty sure you can start a service. We just launch it in the background. A basic service. YouTube playlist. Bro, they better put me in the play. Dude, I'm not in the playlist. What the? Bro. What is this? Ugh. Okay, chat. We covered everything, I think. On XOS, you will declare it as a service. Before, click NixOS option on the tab on the top. No clue on NixOS option incorporate in GLF. Air Max, what does Christmas look like for a Canadian guy from Marseille? Is there all about the Christmas ham? I'm going to cook it for 12 hours sous vide. Nice, dude. We are not doing crazy, something crazy for Christmas this year. I don't think we will. It's gonna be, yeah. And I won't be responsible for the meat. My partner in crime will be responsible of it. So let me check. No Christmas dinner, Air Max invested in DDR5. Do you do turkey? Yes, we do turkey, we do... But I don't know what we're gonna do this year, dude. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do. I don't want to lie to you. I have no idea what we're gonna do. Go to the option tab. Wait, something is happening again. Okay. See it, guys? It wasn't worth buying a 5090. Now he can't have a normal Christmas. Dude, come on. So where is it? At the top. So I see search here. Well, like am I tired or what? So this is search. I searched it. Above search. At the top. I'm on it, dude. Switch from package to NixOS option. Okay. Oh, got it. Okay.
A new croissant, the best club on internet.
Aha, now I get it, dude. AC2, welcome back to La Crème de la Crème Club, papa. Let's go. Thank you very much for your support, dude. Let's go. Whether to enable SX service, a daemon to run scheduler from user space. This service requires a kernel with the SCADX feature. Generally, okay. Default false. Example true. Declared in NixOS module service scheduling. You guys are making fun of me, okay? Okay, you guys are making... you like to make fun of me. Okay, okay. Okay, so it's nothing for you guys. You can copy paste that and put it in the distro. Well, what's happening to you? Like, what's going on? Ma chi si pace? Qu'est-ce qui se passe? What's happening? Was ist das? Bon. Run. Chosen scheduler dash help to see available option. Okay, so you got it, dude. You have the kernels and run it. And you can do it. Watch. It's here, scheduling. We need a good tester as you to test the placebo. On my machine, the one which is working very well is... what's the name? It's a tickless. It's working very well. Papa, speak French. Me? Oh yes, totally. Alejandro. Oui, oui. The beard. Going Santa this year, we see. Yeah, I need to cut it. I can promise it's not placebo. No, they're just upset, dude. Because we can see stuff and they can't see it. And when we say it, we look like we are crazy. But we are not. You know what I mean? It's fine. They were seeing the same thing like when we were doing the... I think it was CFS scheduler versus EVDF. So it was like 4 years ago. They're my buddy. I can trash talk them, okay? You see this? It was in 2000. Wait, chat. It was in 2022 maybe. I was saying to everyone, I was like, guys, you need to change the scheduler. Everybody was like, no, it's perfect, it works and whatever. EVDF went mainstream. Oh, what a good improvement. I was like, yeah, bro, sure. Sure, dude. I've been saying it for 2 years, but sure. Here, I'm telling you, the game is there. You go, you put freaking tickless, you thank me later, okay, dude? That's all I have to say. So far so good. Bilan des avancées depuis OmniSlash. So, the output versus OmniSlash. There is a lot. I really like it, chat. Okay, I really like it. Yes. That's really good. You guys did a good work. For some overscheduler, might work better, of course. True. Have you tested Rusty and did you feel tickless is also a lot better? For me, it's tickless. Maybe, you know, I was mentioning that in the benchmark overall video I made, like, and I published yesterday. It's really around your hardware, right? It really depends on your hardware. But just try it for yourself. Okay, this distro, I will definitively put it in the... You have to try it. Like, you have to try it. It's a pretty good distro now. Like, I think the maturation is solid, chat. And this is what we want to see, right? Like, yeah. It is pretty good. It is pretty good, chat. Hey, salut Christ, bonjour de France, bonjour du Canada, salut, salut. Nezeyer, what's up? When more AI content, love following and learning together. I set up a machine for for the content regarding AI, but it's not going to be soon, anytime soon, dude. Chris, thank you very much for supporting the channel. You are now proud member of La Crème de la Crème Club, Papa. Let's go! Thank you very much for your support, dude. I can see the work. I can see the work. I can see a lot of things. So yeah, that's good. I still believe there is some work left, obviously, but it is pretty sweet, chat. J'aime la crème est plutôt fraîche, le café c'est noir. Same. Merci. Merci Chris. J'apprécie. J'apprécie. Non, j'apprécie. Pas j'apprécie. J'apprécie. Yeah, I can see the result of the work. Like, the experience is seamless. So, I mentioned some of the things that, in my opinion, need to be upgraded, like the NixOS stuff. The NixOS disk mounting, but Camille was here, so he got the feedback. But overall, like, it's really good. And you know, I would say, like, if it's not, like, it's really darn good, dude. So yeah, good job, everyone. Have you heard any news about Redstone support with a new driver? No. Dangerous Mob, maybe there is something new, but I didn't hear about it. I can go and... okay, I was odd. That was odd, Cappy. But yeah, good job. Like, the sound issue are done. In terms of performance, you were definitely aligned with CachyOS, but now it's confirmed, right? After one release, it's just working well. Most of the game, all of the game launched, which is good. The installation is not as long as before, which is a big plus in my opinion. Like, it goes really, really fast, which is nice. All the tools for gaming and content creation are ready to go, installed. So yes, that's definitively a good one. That's definitely a good release. So, yeah. This is good, chat. Oh, okay. Camille, have a good shower. And when you are done, don't forget to come say hi to the Patreon. I'm the worst. Oh yeah, confirm. Okay, I don't want to do the thing. I just want to test the game. Thanks. In terms of amelioration, because me, I still see the improvement, right? Improvement will be always.
But only if we show our foes respect.
Improvement will be always regarding the, like, you know, like what can be done better, right? Because this is the way I think. I think SCADX could be great, right? I think it would be really good.
You're mine. Here they come now.
Yeah, no, that's good, chat. Oh my gosh, bro. Are you guys serious?
You're mine. Did that hurt? Good. Double KO.
Yeah. So SCADX. That will be my big go-to, like.
Step aside. Did that hurt?
Double KO! That's 3!
Aside. Here they come now.
Ouh là là, la crème de la crème club.
4 in a
A new
row!
croissant is the best club on internet. Ouh là là, la crème de la crème club. A new croissant is the best club on internet. Ouh là là, la crème de la crème club.
Guys, thank you very much for the gifted sub. I think we got some gifted sub in chat. I don't
Ouh
know
là là, la crème de la crème
what
club.
did it.
A new croissant is the best club on internet. Ouh là là, la crème de la crème club. A new croissant is the best club on internet. Ouh là là, la crème de la crème
So,
club.
what did that, chat? I can't even see it. I can't even see who did that. My freaking streaming PC, dude. Atemok, quite the greeting message. I know. It's one of my buds who did it.
The enemy has arrived.
It was Victory MK2. Thank you very much, broski. Thank you very much for the support. Much appreciated. Thanks a lot. Victory, thank you very much for your support. I repeat it again and again. Guys, if you got a sub and you are now a proud member of La Crème de la Crème Club on YouTube, I'm talking about Thomas, Rikiv, Waves, Count Ons, and Super Risky Breaker. Don't forget to thank Victory MK2. Thank you, dude. Thank you very much, brother. You know, we are here with the 1590 and stuff, but you have no idea how much it helps for what I want to do with this channel, so thank you very much, chat. Thanks a lot. You are mine, that's right!
One after another.
Okay, this thing is working really good, dude. I like it.
Step aside. How sad.
How sad!
Double KO! That's 3! Wow!
Easy.
What? You're mine.
Merry Christmas, thank you, brother. I bought a 9070 XT just a few days ago. Are you enjoying it?
You're mine.
A real question.
Double KO! That's 3!
One after another.
Man, this works so good. I want to play a game, I think. We're gonna do one game of this. How long have you been in the stream? 3 hours and 25 minutes. I think we can play one game. And I'm still doing the global shader. Okay, so he paused it while in game. Pretty sweet. Should I generally use Ladvi scheduler in SCADX if I like to play a game and watch some other content second monitor? So I don't have an answer for that. The answer I would say is like, if you feel like when you are gaming, the experience is not smooth as you expect, it's maybe time to switch the user kernel scheduler and see if you have a better experience. Personally, with the Tickless and my hardware, it works very well. And it has nothing to do with having multiple monitors or anything. It just feels better. Right? Don't forget to remove the snow. I know I'm gonna have to remove the snow. That's why I'm looking at the time right now. Snow has been insane, dude. Can Discord get a picture before and after shoveling the driveway? I don't know, man. My car is on the driveway. I'm gonna have to clean the car, dude. So I don't want to show my car. My trash car, dude. Devhead, what's up?
Ouh là là, la crème de la crème club. a new croissant, the best.
Victory
club on
is now a proud member of La Crème de la Crème Club. Welcome back, Broskito. Kids have to grow up faster, I know. So, Els Narco is saying that because the kids are supposed to do it. And yeah, I'm gonna have to do it myself. It's 11 degrees right now in Denmark. I hate you guys. Like someone was in the Caribbean saying it was like 28 right now. And Mirko, listen, Mirko is in Australia. He said it was 38 Celsius in freaking Australia right now. I love snow, but... Darn. It's gonna be a lot of work. That's why I'm like... Guys, thank you very much for the support. All of you guys. I'm not even kidding. I will take minus 30 degrees Celsius over 38 degrees Celsius any day. I would not. I was born under the sun, dude. You know? So now I'm used to it. I was saying earlier that... it was minus 7 or minus 10. And I was just going out with my sweatshirt. Like nothing. You know, I was just going out. I was like, meh. It's not even cold yet. No problem. Right? It was not the case when I arrived here in Canada. When I arrived in Canada, like it would be 5 degrees, I would be losing my mind. But I still love the I will still love the warm weather over the cold. Dude. Is he compiling shaders and such have a good perf? I think he paused it. If I launch a game, he's gonna pause it, so I'm just waiting. Right? Summer here is too hot, over 30 degrees Celsius. Not used to the heat. Dude, I thrive in the heat. I like when it's hot. Like when it's warm, when it's cold, I don't know, maybe it's because of my blood like moving around in my body, but my hands are like frozen all the time, my feet are frozen all the time. There is nothing I can do about it. When it's warm, I just feel good. I don't know how to explain, man. Maybe I'm a freaking lizard or something, I don't know. But... And there is different type of same heat on Earth, true. Like with humidity, change everything. I agree with this statement. I like dry, warm. Humid, warm is rough. Okay, so we are done with the shader. Let's play a game. I'm gonna do a quick match. Yeah, humidity is the worst, dude. Lizard people confirmed. No! Chat, they know now. They know we are all lizard on Linux.
Top-notch team to win this one.
My odachi is sharp. My mind is sharper.
Bro, let me play my character, come on! Thanks.
Escape pod ready. Opening escape capsule.
Okay, so let's see how it goes. This is a real gaming experience, dude.
Yokai and villains.
So, did you notice? I changed my connection, right, chat? So now we don't have the percentage of packet lost or anything. Look at this.
Your helmet guards you from psionic abilities.
Look at this, dude.
I see. You do not wish your gifts to be used as
400 FPS, man! Oh! This is so good, chat!
The battle starts in 5, 4,
Let's freaking go!
2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area.
So let's see if... 51? No, I don't think so. Wait. Yeah.
Okay, admit it. Step aside.
Some sort of turret. How crude.
Goodbye, turret.
Your attacks are futile.
A nice deep freeze.
Coming at you.
Can't open here anymore? I thought we could go there.
You're mine.
Where are they? Where are they? Oh, watch. Oh! Someone died.
Step aside.
Okay, I need some health. Do I heal? No, I don't. I guess I get to be healed again, right?
Deep freeze.
Perhaps you are the leader you claim to be, Matildas. Now I might survive this.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Did that hurt? Good.
I suck. You're mine.
Things just got a lot harder without Logan. Not everything's going right.
That's when I suck.
Whoa!
Yes.
Whoa, chat!
Armed and dangerous.
A shield.
It's the grand finale.
This can of goop is really.
You're halfway there. Keep going. You're mine.
Well, that's a bad guy.
Double KO.
Oh, he killed me, dude! So what do you think about this distro? I like it, chat. I like it very much.
I don't give up so easily.
Right? I like it very much, dude.
Almost there. Don't turn back. You're mine.
I think this is a real alternative to Basite. You know, I'm making them a compliment by saying that, right? Because you have an immutable base
Judge.
with a distro which do gaming like really nice, right?
For mutant kind.
Clint's down. Somebody help him.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
We won't let the dream.
Exploding plasma. The enemy has arrived. Step aside.
Down.
Us against the world.
So I'm not using with my normal mouse right now. I was testing a old mouse.
气贯长虹。
Step aside.
Get that vehicle moving again. You need me. You're mine. Double KO.
Oh, it's not dead?
That's three.
Perhaps you are the step aside.
Planet's surface.
Okay. Look at the FPS, dude. Like, look how fluid it is. The Nyx ecosystem is getting complete. Yeah,
Don't let anything stand in your
I like Basite, but me if I had to choose between one or the other, I will always go with the Nyx OS. And it's not me being elitist or anything, right?
Out of sight.
so close.
Oh, what are you, dude? I don't see this guy anymore, huh? Oh yeah, now I'm dead.
Never miss.
How did he got me? Oh wow.
Reborn once
Nice,
more.
nice. So 4 minutes 30 to get it, so I should be fine. Just don't want him to die, right? Yeah, he died.
Maximum impact.
So he got the heal! Oh, he's 1 HP!
Just ask him.
Ah, okay, we did it.
Another epic victory. Big win.
So I remember having problem with desktop recording for some reason. Yeah, the problem with Buzzite is a flat pack on GLF. You can choose easy flat pack or native, and it's pretty cool. Yeah, I agree with that too. Like in itself, flat pack is not the issue, right? But I like I have the I like this idea, right? Oh, this is bad, dude. Look at this accuracy. This is trash, chat. I need to get better. Need to get better, dude. GG. I'm gonna give a GG to everyone. Can give GG, even myself, dude. Okay, so it's working, dude. Sound didn't disconnect. It's good, chat. Yeah, flat pack is definitively great for sandboxing, but he had a small level of complexity, right? And sometimes this small level of complexity become a big level of complexity for whatever reason. There is use case scenario when flat pack is a pain. So that's why I like that, right? I like the fact that you have your little config file there, the one we just modify. You install it, you compile it, and then you're good to go. You don't have to think about anything. So I kind of like it, dude. I really dig into this distro. Yeah. And the way they push packages is interesting too, right? They push it kind of like a la Manjaro, I would say. And this is cool. I really like this approach, chat. This is not a pure Nix stable or a pure Nix unstable, right? It's in the middle. Flatpak is a sandbox, so you have to break the sandbox to get global default to work. Fair. Ramadrama, thanks for watching, buddy. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna have to take care of the snow now. It was a good surprise, chat. Like, I knew it would be good, but I didn't expect it to be that good, dude. Someone on Discord said that Overwatch is broken on Linux. No. Okay, last request. I give it to Camille because he's a proud member of La Crème de la Crème Club on Patreon. I'm gonna tease the GLF OS team like for so long, dude. So who said it didn't work, brother? Who said it didn't work?
Before me,
That works pretty good to me. Training? Where is the training? So one thing is sure is that I remember this game compiled stuff like crazy, right? So at the beginning you have low FPS because what's happening right now is this, you see? Is destroying my dude, 80 degrees? Oh bro. Please don't kill my CPU, like. It's working, chat. No problem. Oof. Yeah, well, we have to wait. So no, it's working. Don't worry, supposedly Ryzen is fine above 90 degrees. Okay, so we good. We good, chat. You will see, like, we're gonna get stuck at like 300 something, and then it's gonna go like poof, through the roof, chat. A video. Okay, resolution. Not 60 Hz. 144. Thanks. I don't even know if it does something. FSR. No. Where do I search? Okay, got it. Okay, still compiling, I can tell. Okay, so we are not throttling right now. Nice. So let's see. Still pushing like crazy. 5.3. So it goes up to 5.4, dude. Hey, salut Benjamin. Bonjour de France. Happy to see you on GLFOS. I'm running it for weeks now, and I felt in love with this distro instantly. The team is really doing a great job. Thank you. I appreciate the fact that you are also saying that the team is doing a great job, because I'm part of the team. Not by a lot. Like, to be fair, like most of the other members are doing a lot. I'm just the tester. Me. I'm the one coming and saying like, maybe you could do better there. I'm the guy that, you know, you don't want to have in the team. But it works, because the improvements are here, and they are doing a great job. And they are all nice in the team, I would say, except Camille. Okay, now I'm wondering if I should test the distro myself, but kind of settle with Kashi. I think it really depends on... Oh, okay, now we're done. Okay, I can tell right away, chat. Yeah. Oh, it works, dude. Like, I don't know what they're saying, like, it's not working. It is working. Sensitivity is a little bit on the low, but... And the setting ultra, it's too mushy for me, dude. But yeah, we have 600 FPS, like, no matter what. I don't think we're gonna do... Yeah. Like, this game is not really hard to run, right? Yeah. We fine, chat. So, I need to do the snow. Sorry about that. It's a short stream today, like only 3 hours or 4 hours, but So 600 FPS, yeah, I think it's working, boss. You think it's working, dude? Okay, we good, chat. It's good. I was thinking I would not make a review of the distro and the release, but I might have to do it, dude. I might have to do it because there is a lot of positive. It might be running well enough to play. I confirm, chat. I confirm. And I think I'm gonna go. I think I'm gonna put this. I might be putting this on my streaming PC, chat. Right? Because then I just have to save the config of my PC. I'm thinking about it, chat. I'm really hardcore thinking about it, dude. What is the support regarding like Intel card and AMD card? If we still have like dev, like GLFOS dev in the chat, because this could be interesting to test too, right? Could be really interesting to test. And like that, like if the stream crash and nothing works, I could still blame Kemi. Nix is a solid choice for what is basically a server too. Yeah, fair. Fair. Chat, I'm out. Guys, I want to thank again all the members of La Crème de la Crème Club, all the newcomers. I want to thank all the donation today. We got a lot of donation. We got a lot of new members. Guys, thank you very much. This is serious. Okay, so thanks a lot for your support. I hope you learned something today. I hope you had fun. It was really fun for me again. Tomorrow, no video for tomorrow. Stream on Friday. We're gonna test the screen on Friday. So it's gonna be more like a gaming stream. And yes, video on Saturday, I think, something like that. We'll see. Okay, chat. Guys, thank you again for watching. I am out. I have to freaking clean the snow on my freaking driveway. It's gonna be a lot of work. Anyways, it is what it is. Thanks again, chat. You're the best. Except Camille.